Exposing the truth in free gaming, Geometry Dash isn't just for people with money to burn. Grab your phone or laptop because I'm about to show you 5 legal ways to play. No sketchy downloads needed. Let's dash right in. First up, Geometry Dash Lite. It's the free version of the main game packed with early levels. You'll see ads, but hey, you get to dash for $0. Next, try out Geometry Dash World. 10 unique levels, cool community creations, and a taste of what's in the full game, all for free. Geometry Dash Meltdown is your go-to for exclusive levels and epic music. 3 awesome stages to test your skills, no wallet required. Don't miss Geometry Dash Sub-Zero. It's a free preview of new gameplay with banging tracks and tricky obstacles. Finally, browser versions. Just search Play Geometry Dash online and find simplified versions you can play anywhere, laptop or phone. So whether you're a newbie or a legend, these free versions let anyone get in on the action. Ready to dodge spikes and beat those levels? Give them a try, and good luck not flinging your device